Let's see how long it will take to install the Windows in 960 Pro. Let's do it. Let's see how fast it will go. 100% already. God damn, that was fast. And now the smaller files. Oh, it's going very quick. Look, it's already in 19, 21, 23, 30. Look, that is insane. It's almost 50% already. 50. I remember in the normal drive this took a few minutes, and now it's just like this. I can't wait till the new generation of the drive, the 2018 nvme drive. Those are really quick. And 96, 97. Now the updates. Just 1 minute? That is insane. Now it will turn off. Just 1 minute. This is insane. Insanely fast.